If your meta ads used to work, but suddenly feel unpredictable, expensive, or just flat, it's not you. It's because you're still running old meta in a new meta world. Meta ads didn't just update, they fundamentally shifted to an AI first system. And most brands are still optimizing like it's 2019. Boosts, stacked interests, endless ad sets, while the platform has moved on. Old Meta playbook looked like this: boost posts, micro target interests, many ad sets, tiny budgets, manual control everywhere. New Meta works differently. AI-led delivery, Advantage Plus systems, fewer campaigns, more data. Creative plus profit signals matter more than targeting. Meta's AI doesn't need you to micromanage. It needs clean signals, good creative, and enough data to learn. All of this boils down to 5 pillars: how you optimize, how you structure campaigns, how targeting really works now, how creative drives performance, and how to control profit as you scale. I'll unpack each of these properly as we go through this series. If this clicked, I'm hosting a free live training called Meta Ads 2026, How to Use AI to Get More Sales from the Same Budget. Link is in the description and pinned comment.